back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a flat twist out on wet hair. I have done a flat twist out on stretch dry hair before, but I wanted to see if my results would be a little different, or would they be the same, or if I would be able to tell a difference at all. So right off the bat, I am going ahead and sectioning my hair into 3 large sections, one in the middle, one in the back, and of course one in the front. And for the products, I will be using this curl stretch pudding from Shea Moisture, my Cornrows Natural Honey Hydrate Leave-In, as well as this Natural All Growth Serum. And I'm just gonna mix this all together in the top, you guys. I felt like this would be easier if I just mixed all the products together and just go ahead and apply it to my hair, which it did. So I just kind of like mixed all of the products together to get my little concoction going. And if I felt like I needed a little bit more product, I was not afraid to add it. I am going for medium-sized sections today because I have really been loving my fluffier twist outs, flat twist outs, and braid outs lately. And just an added plus to that is the fact that I don't have to sit here all day and put flat twists in. But as you all saw, I do start off by finger detangling, and then I go in with my dimming brush. And by the way, if you break down your sections and you see that a little bit more product needs to be added to a few strands, you can go ahead and do this at this step. But also, I wanted you all to see that when I flat twist, I only pick up hair in that section. I try not to just go in with the twist. I try to make sure that the sections as I pick up, as I twist, are thoroughly separated, because it really helps with the takedown process and minimizing the frizz that you will get. So you definitely want to twist tightly, coil those ends, and go ahead and take off that excess product because it helps with the drying process. And as always, you definitely want to make sure that you have a twist, a braid, or something going down the middle of your head if you hate that middle part like I do. So just make sure that you at least put a flat twist or two going down the center of your head so that you can avoid that annoying middle part. And once again, as I was telling you all before, just to reiterate, as you can see when I'm twisting, I am making sure that I am picking up sections and making sure that they are separated from the rest of the hair. And this is how I try to prevent frizz, and it makes fluffing and separating so much easier with the takedown process. So I finished the back section with 5 flat twists, and when I got to this middle section here, I went ahead and did 6. So I had 2 going down the middle. And once you get to the front, of course, it may be time to mix up some more product. So you definitely want to go in and make sure you thoroughly moisturize that last section as well, and add a lot of water if you need to. I really love adding water to my hair because it just helps. And when you get to the front of your head, you basically kind of want to flat twist your hair in the direction that you want the hair to go. So originally I wanted the hair to lay in my face, but in the end you all gonna see that I kind of switched it up a little bit because it wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. But here I'm just flat twisting to the front of my face because that's kind of how I originally wanted my hair to lay. And I'm basically repeating those steps, just making sure that the hair is thoroughly detangled, even the ends, before I finish the twist. So it is the next day, and I did sit up under the dryer the day before because I kind of wanted to make sure that my hair was dry because I was going somewhere. And I'm just adding some more of that natural all growth serum to my hands and patting it into my hair before I begin the takedown process. One thing I like about taking down flat twists is that you don't have to worry about separating, because as you undo the flat twist, the hair is already separated in its curls. And I just make sure that I am taking my time with this process because I try to get minimal frizz even though I am going for a fluffier look. I have found out that when you have less frizz, the hairstyle will last a little bit longer. So I just like to be careful when I am doing the takedown process. So to prevent myself from fluffing my roots a little bit too much, I decided to use the tail end of this comb. I feel like we all had this comb once in our lifetime, especially when we used to have like the doobie wraps. If you all know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below. But I decided to do this because sometimes I feel like I overpick, so I was like, let's just use the tail end of this comb. So after planning my hair, I decide that I kind of want to slit back kind of like the middle section of my hair. So that is exactly what I'm doing now with some edge control and 2 large bobby pins. Really simple style, and it wasn't painful at all, and it just gave me a little sleek look, and I honestly fell in love with this look. I think I'm actually gonna redo this hairstyle like tomorrow. So yes, I am really in love with it. I have been loving my hair lately. It has been giving me fluffy but defined vibes. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. See ya!
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid